process the whole situation. Because I never know that it could knock at my door. I know me really feel how other people feel when these things hit them, you know, and it make we just wonder where we going at a country from here. This is really not Manchester anymore. This is just not Manchester anymore. We don't know where this will go from here. So. You're not safe anywhere anymore. And that's just the first and last of it. Now the way I see it, even the security needs security right now. So, I don't know where we're going from here. It's just a little, it's a guy where him just humble, you know, jovial in the community, work with everybody, you know. And I still try to process how or what could I lead to the situation wherein somebody that just gun him down like that, you know. Leave a lot of people now mourning. Something just merciless as that. If we continue to let this situation do, I think we're going to get a visitation sooner or later from God. This cannot continue. Just cannot continue. It's terrible.